Guess what, folks? The future is knocking. And according to NVIDIA CEO, it's not the technical skills that are going to get you ahead in the future.
You probably recall over the course of the last 10 years, 15 years, almost everybody who sits on a stage like this would tell you it is vital that your children learn computer science. Everybody should learn how to program. And in fact, it's almost exactly the opposite. It is our job to create computing technology such that nobody has to program, and that the programming language is human. Everybody in the world is now a programmer.
AI is completely changing the way we work. But what skills do you need to keep up and stay ahead? Interestingly, it's not the technical skills. It's actually the ability to work with AI to be able to get the impact that you're aiming for. In this video, we're going to cover the top skills that you need to work with AI and make it the best tool for your success. So if you're ready to future-proof your career, let's roll. AI is changing industries faster than you can say machine learning. That's great because it's opening up a number of possibilities, but that also means that change is constant. The key here is to stay flexible. Adaptability and curiosity are going to be key skills that you'll need to be successful in an AI-powered world. Adaptability and curiosity for the new tools or systems that your company is introducing is going to be the key to making you successful. With AI automating routine tasks and industries going through rapid transformation.
Because for the very first time, you can imagine everybody in your company being a technologist.
Professionals must demonstrate the ability to adapt and be curious of the changes. This involves embracing new tools and technologies, staying resilient in the face of disruption, and consistently learning new and unlearning old practices. Adaptability means that you see change as an opportunity and you're curious to learn more and grow your skills. Now, we all know that AI can provide some really great answers, but we still need to be able to ask the right questions and be able to critically analyze if we've got the right answers. That's where critical thinking comes in. Looking at AI outputs and saying, does that make sense? Critical thinking allows you to evaluate the outputs that you get from AI, spot any flaws, and make informed decisions. Future business decision-making is going to increasingly require balancing machine insight with ethical and strategic consideration. Not everything AI generates is accurate or ethical. That's why critical thinking skills are going to be imperative. As AI becomes more prevalent, ethical dilemmas around privacy, bias, and transparency will continue to arise. And that's where your critical thinking skill will help keep the systems in check. Critical thinking skills can be your edge and help you become the MVP of your team. Creativity isn't going anywhere. In fact, with AI as a collaborator, it's actually thriving. Now, tools like generative AI can amplify your ideas, but the creative ideas are still yours. You have to set the vision, and only then can AI help you realize it. Creativity is an essential skill, even with the use of generative AI. You also have to think creatively about how you can leverage different AI tools to brainstorm, enhance creative workflows, and solve problems. Like I said, AI is a partner in the creative process, but it's driven by the human. AI is definitely going to make it a lot easier for people to create, but in this saturated market, it's going to be creativity that will be the differentiating factor that will make a professional stand out and garner attention and loyalty. Having AI will be like having a genius sidekick, but you are still the hero of the story. In this day and age, not knowing how to use AI is like not knowing how to use Google in 2015. Digital AI literacy is the new basic skill. Now, like I said, you don't need to know how to code, but you do need to know how AI works and understand the possibilities and limitations with AI. You don't need to be a techie, but you do need to know how to speak tech.
Or who understand domain expertise now can utilize technology that is readily available to you. You now have a computer that will do what you tell it to do. to help automate your work, to amplify your productivity, to make you more efficient. And so I think that this is just a tremendous time. The impact, of course, is great, and your imperative to activate and take advantage of the technology is absolutely immediate. And also to realize that to engage AI is a lot easier now than at any time in the history of computing. It is vital that we upskill everyone, and the upskilling process, I believe, will be delightful, surprising, to realize that this computer can perform all these things that you're instructing it to do and doing it so easily.
Digital AI literacy means that you can understand the strengths and limitations of AI and how it can impact different industries. It also means that you can use no-code or low-code tools effectively. And of course, that you understand the ethical considerations of using different AI tools. So how can you develop these digital literacy skills? Well, get out there, go experiment with different tools, see what other people are doing. This will give you a sense of the strengths and the limitations of AI and what you can accomplish with it. The more you use it, the more it will empower you. Having these digital literacy skills means that you will be able to participate meaningfully in AI-driven projects, and also you'll be able to advocate for the responsible use of this technology. Think of AI like a genie in a bottle. It can grant your wish, but you have to be very clear on what you're wishing for. Prompt engineering is important because it bridges the gap between human intent and AI capabilities. Prompt engineering enables users, regardless of technical expertise, to be able to use AI to derive outputs that are precise, relevant, and high quality. You can also go through the documentation of an AI tool to understand the best practices. And another great way is to join a community where people are working with that specific AI tool. You will learn so much from people sharing their ideas and discussing what works and what doesn't work. Prompt engineering is going to enable non-technical professionals to be able to work with AI effectively and get great results. Clear communication is the bridge between technical teams, stakeholders, and clients. The future is going to be ruled by people who can communicate AI-driven insights and data into relatable and actionable stories. A key skill that you need to master to be able to be ready for the future is the ability to take complex ideas, data, and insights and turn it into plain language that drives action. Pair that with the ability to craft stories that aligns business goals to customer needs, and you're golden. Businesses need storytellers to be able to make AI meaningful and inspire buy-in. So sharpen your storytelling skills and get ready for the future. These non-technical skills are going to prepare you for the future, because although AI is the future, the human touch is so important. In a future that's driven by AI, these non-technical skills are going to help you prepare to be successful. So let me know in the comments below what you're doing to prepare for the future, and I'll see you in the next video.